Let's look at the LEGB rule in Python. So this is the rule in which Python uses when it's trying to access and assign variables. It starts with the local and closing, goes to global and built-in. The built-in functions like length. So let's explain what the local does. So let's say, suppose we have a function, def my function here. I assign x is equals to 10, then I print x. So when I call my function, Python is going to look for that function. It's going to look for the result of the function within that function. Then it returns 10 for I'm asking it to print 10 here. So when I run it, Python is going to look for x in the function locally. Then it will return the value that I'm asking it to do, which is 10 here. Now let's do the enclosing. For the enclosing one, I have got two functions here, one outer function and the second one inner function. So, right, let's look at the outer function. I've assigned x is equals to 20 on the enclosing one, like the umbrella function. On the inner function, I ask you to print x. So when I call x, it's going to look for x here. In the inner function, it's not going to find it, and it will go jump to the outer function and print and find x. So x is equals to 20. Let me write it here. X is equals to 20. All right, let's go to the global one. Now I have a global variable x equals to 30 here. So I have another function, my func is equals to my func print x. It's going to look for function within this, it's going to look for x within this function, not find it, and to jump to the global variable, then the output will be always 30 as assigned by the global variable. And also Python, when it is looking, it also looks at the built-in functions. It solves the built-in functions before it do anything else. So in here, we have the length of this list. Now it's going to return 1012, which is basically 3. In this case, the length of this is 1, 2, 3, 3. So if you understand this exercise, if you understand the LEGB rule, I want you to do this exercise and tell me what's the results in the comment. Thank you and bye-bye.